from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Spiegel Mom Scraps, where I am using the Snowy Vibes sequence mix that came out of the December collection, and look at those goodness. Ooh, do I love that goodies. Look at those pretties. I just love that. And this actually is going in with my How to Kill a Kit with Style, and it's my winter collection that I am doing for Flushing. And these are the layouts that I am doing the parades for. And I've already released one of them yesterday. And last week was my unboxing and explaining what everything is. So I will link all of that down below. I am going to be using one of the sketches from 30 Days of Sketches Series 6 from Chrissy's Beautiful Life, where she picks 30 days of some type of sketches throughout. So this one is here, and I will link everything. I will put the sketch up here, but then I'll link everything down below, especially with Spiegel Mom Scraps. So if you use my code Miranda15, you will get 15% off your order. And anything to support a small business is greatly appreciated. So look how gorgeous this is. Oh, I just love it. So here are two of my photos that I am using. Yesterday's had my daughter going through what I want to say, like the parade and stuff. And now she's, those there ones, she was like trying to get used to the noise and stuff. And then this set is, you know, if you give a child a sucker, you know, they'll be straight. But she really loves going to parades and stuff. Flushing can get sometimes very loud. So, and she does not do well with noise. She has not done well with noise at all. And I'm not sure if I explained it in the video yesterday or not, but she is in preschool at this time. So she is like very freshly 4 years old. So it takes, she was my tiny little mini here. As you can tell, her purple glasses. Oh, she was such a cutie pie. So these are these photos. And then going from there, I'll actually get more into the Flushing of like what it looks like and all of that. So let's see what I can do. All right. So this kind of went on a different direction than I thought it was going to. Originally, I never talked about like mixed media or any of that sort. And as I was working through this, I was like, ooh, I want to add some mixed media. So I get started with cutting these pages down, like these papers down, so that they are even with what I want to achieve and follow the sketch that's up there. Just remember that this is from Chrissy's Beautiful Life sketch series number 6. And I will link it down below. If you are interested on being in the group, it is amazing. It works out wonders. I always get some good sketches out of it, and I use them over and over. It's not like just once and done. I've done this sketch a couple of times. I really like this one. But I am going through, and I'm going to add all these papers and get it ready. I obviously do all my doodling and all of that fun stuff, and then I start to watch this a little bit, and then I realize I'm like, ooh, I know what I need to do, like what I want to do next, and it's mixed media. I am doing this voiceover just a little bit later in the week than when I did this video, so when this goes live, I will be already in school and working, but the time of this voiceover, I just got done with my 2 days of like planning and pre-planning and trying to just get everything set up and ready to go. It is now with my students, it is that time of the year where it is do or die time. It's the crunch time. You've got to buckle down, and this is it. So this is where I turn into, we're going to do some mixed media. So at first I put down just the paint, and it's not really what I wanted to achieve. So then I did get out my crackling paste. So the blue that I'm using is the Distress Paint Tumbled Glass. And then I have the Distressed Crackle Paste. That's from, this is all Tim Holtz Rangers. and whatnot. And I used that in the Tattered Rose paint color as well. Then I decided I am going to get out one of Tim Holtz. Now, I did not plan this to be all distressy, but this is one of Tim Holtz stamps. And then I am using Distress Oxide Salvage Panetta. Now, all these colors actually work. So I was like, well, I need to make this look like some snow, right? Because it is in the winter, and I can take some of these photos and turn it into that. So then I get the white paint out and get some circles and some white splatters going down to make it look like snow because of the color tones and everything else that I'm using. So now we're going to put this together. I just didn't, like, when I started out, I wasn't expecting it to be with mixed media, and then I do this. And I just absolutely love it. I just wanted it around the edges just to give it a little bit of something extra. And it works out wonders for this because I do come in with some different titles and whatnot, but the main event to this is the sequence mix that I'm using, which is the Snowy Vibes, or Snow Vibes, from Spiegel Mom Scraps. This is a kind of like a two-part style collaboration. So this is for Spiegel Mom Scraps. So make sure that you use my code Miranda15 in the discount area to get 15% off your order. And I am also pairing this up with, like I've said before, it's How to Kill a Kit with Style. And it's the mood board collection and whatnot that you saw in the beginning of this video. I love you doing like collabs on things like this to get, and it doesn't matter what I'm doing it for, whether it's design teams or just for myself or whatever. I like to be able to have a thought process to my layouts. Now, I'm not sure if that's how you are, so comment down below and see if you are like a thought process person like I am, where I need to have like different things in mind to do it, or are you like one of them that kind of do like what you call fly by the seat of your pants? So let me know. I love this snowman, and I love these trees, and then I do add some candy canes because I don't care. They're part of the winter. I don't care if it is part of Christmas or not. It is going to go on there. And then I'm just pulling off little sayings and stuff that I see throughout the thing that'll work for this layout. And then I decided, okay, I'm going to get out the floral pieces that are here. And I painstakingly try to get through this top part in the middle because I really wanted some type of, like a couple flowers up there. Just to add a little bit to that. And then I do a little bit on this side, and then that's it. You could definitely still see the mixed media that I am doing within this. It's just the mixed media is supposed to be part of the background. A lot of times when I do my mixed media, I have one or two thought process. One of it is I want it to be the main focal point, and it's going to be a lot bigger than the papers and stuff. Or, like in this case, this one is all about, I want it there, but I don't want it to be the main focal point. The main focal point for this time is my daughter in the photos of this. Like I've explained a little bit about my daughter and her like process and our journey with like what she has in her like her disorders and stuff and her learning disabilities. It's really made all of us humble, and sometimes my husband, it's a struggle some days, and then other days it's fantastic. So this is was part of the good day of this day. So here I am placing down. What I have gotten back to is I'm just going to splatter it down like I was doing there. I don't care where they land. Wherever they land, that's where I'm going to do. Now, I do kind of make sure that if I got too many colors in one, I try to add some color, some other tones to it. But for the most part, I leave it. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you. If you're coming from Spiegel Mom Scraps, welcome. I do upload on my channel typically 2 to 3 times a week. Design teams like this and a bunch of collaborations. If you're coming from my channel over to Spiegel Mom Scraps, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. We would love to have you as part of the YouTube family, so make sure that you do the like and subscribe and all of the fun stuff. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you use Miranda 15 and the discount area to get 15% off your order for Speak Mom Scraps. And I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.